Hi, this video is just a quick demonstration of the next release, which is 2290. Okay, so the main features around this is around the calendar improvement and also exporting the job sheets and the runs to the installer. Okay, so let's I'll take you through it now. When you're logging into Insyte, click on your calendar, export to PDF. It pops up a new dialog box where you can select multiple people in the calendar. So I'm just going to select myself and my fitter consultant. There's your date ranges. Go down here. You've got 3 new features now: generate run sheet, generate job sheet, or generate both. I'm just going to go generate both. Now, there's a split by rep. I'm going to split by rep. So what that's going to do, it's going to generate each report separately. And the document template that I'm going to use is this one. There's only one there. And I've got some print views, product setting views. I'm just going to use my installer view that I've set up. Then I can hit print. When I hit print, it just goes and generates the job sheets for the different consultants or installers that I've selected in the previous view. Once I do that, I can download the job sheets and they'll download as PDF. So if I was to select the fitter consultant, it drops it down here and I can click on it and it will display on the screen and you can then print it out. Going back to here, if I didn't want to, well, there's the job sheets, okay. If I didn't want to print it out, I can click on email it to the reps. It changes the button from print to email, and I can click email, and that sends both the run sheet and the job sheets to the inbox. That's the new dialog, the new feature. Just how to configure that document template and product settings is I'll just show you at the back end. You click on your name, go to settings, scroll down to reports, then go to document templates. In here, there's 2 new sections. There's the install job sheet report. That's the report that just got generated for the job sheets. Clicking on that, you can put your title in there, the report title, the address, the show sizes and not terms and conditions. You probably won't use them for a job sheet for an installer. I've got the format of the job sheet in a table format with 4 columns. I can have 5 columns. That shows the product configuration in 4 columns or 5 columns. Show price, I've hidden it. Installers don't need to know the price. Show customers, I can hide the customer notes. Probably don't need that, or you can just show that to them anyway in case the customer asks them questions. Manufacturing notes, installation notes, and there's 2 other features called show line number and show location. So you can hide the line numbers or you can show the line numbers, and you can also show location. And then you've just got the styles, which is the standard templates in the system. Going back to job summary, I mean, there's 2 in here. There's job summary screen and there's a pricing and job summary screen. So this job summary is where you can see the job's information, just like the job sheet, but from the appointment screen without actually generating a job sheet or a PDF. And that way you don't have to print anything. You can just see you walk in, the fitter walks in, he opens up his calendar and he looks at the appointments and he can just look at what's entailed with the job, so he can assess what he needs to do. So this here again is just a configuration. I'll show you where to access that. You can go to the calendar, go down to, let's just pick a customer, an appointment. I'm in the appointment screen. You can see across here, that's the button that connects that job summary view. Clicking on that button, you can see here that's the document template, job summary view. I've got 2 of them. I'm just going to use that one. I've got the print settings for the product I want to display, and you can see that this is the information that I'm selecting, and this is the window 1, like the width and the drop, and whatever in the configuration. You can see I've got 4 grills. I can copy it to clipboard. And copying it to clipboard, you can then stick it in an email and email through if you need to, or you can, copy it somewhere else to reutilize the information. All right, well, that's the 2 main features of this next release. I hope this helps you in your business. Take care.